Swiss Senses is built on a simple idea. Travel should feel effortless from the very beginning. Our Swiss Premium Economy service brings this philosophy into every moment on board. Comfort begins with a simple gesture. A refreshing tissue and a bottle of water are brought to your seat, inviting you to unwind shortly after takeoff. Before the first meal, enjoy an aperitif rooted in Swiss tradition, like our carefully selected Swiss cheese. Our choice of red and white wines invites you to explore Swiss wine culture, with further beverages available. All meals are prepared with quality ingredients and presented on modern reusable tableware. Our signature scent, Alpine Valley, brings elements of Swiss nature into the cabin. Our journey engages all the senses: noise-canceling headphones, a purposeful amenity kit, and pralines by Eschbach Chocolatier complete the experience. As your flight progresses, rest and comfort become essential. Our bedding follows Swiss design principles. Pillows are made of 100% cotton and blankets from fully recycled materials. The Swiss kiosk offers a variety of snacks, perfect for a short break. Sit back and enjoy our Swiss Premium Economy service on long-haul flights.